These beans are a great side dish, and you can eat them hot or cold. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how I make my Amish Deli Baked Beans. Stay tuned. I've been making these Amish Deli Beans for many years, and they are always a winner at any get-together, and especially at the holiday table. You can make these in the oven, or today I'm using my slow cooker. These are butter beans, and they are large lima beans in their own sauce. There are several brands available. I'm using two 40-ounce cans that I drained the sauce. I'm adding these beans to my oil-sprayed Crockpot. This is one 20-ounce bottle of ketchup, plus I used a half a cup of water to rinse out the bottle. 2 tablespoons of mustard, a half a cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 cups of molasses, and this will give the beans a nice rich flavor. 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, giving everything a good toss, and that's it. Placing on the lid and cooking on high for 3 hours or on the low setting for 5 to 6 hours. If you can, give it a stir about halfway through the cooking. The kitchen is smelling amazing. It's been 3 hours and the deli beans are done. These Amish deli beans make a nice side dish for any meal, and you can serve them hot or cold. As the beans cool, they will thicken up a little. To reheat, you can add a little water. The beans are nice and tender with a delicious, slightly sweet barbecue sauce. With the holidays upon us, these deli beans are a nice, easy slow cooker side dish where you won't have to tie up your stove or oven. I hope you give these slow cooker Amish deli beans a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!